This is one of the video about mindset you don't want to miss. Being a trader who is a consistent winner starts from here, not from your strategy. Fine, you might have a good strategy out there. You might have the best and working edge you have, but if your mindset has not aligned with that knowledge you have, trust me, you are still going to be losing money, even when your setup is nice, even when your setups are the best setups so ever. So how do we get to conquer this mindset? Now in this video I'm going to be showing you it will explain exactly how you be conquering that mindset of losing account, or maybe mindset of a failure. Let me just put it that way. Now, one of the things I'll get to learn as far as trading is concerned is that number one, we have to be patient. We have to be patient. Now, why patient? Now, I'll tell you why patient. There are countless times that I will find my edge, and knowing fully well that this is my edge, right? I might have waited for it for like 2-3 days for it to play out. Then it finally showed up. You get? Now, if I don't have that mindset that has aligned with my edge, or that have aligned with the knowledge I'm having, trust me, the result that will bet the knowledge I have will not be seen. This is what I mean. Let's say I'm a smart money trader concept and I have the strategy and I understand it, and I come to the audience or come to the market, analyze the market, and sometimes I'll back test and my analysis are nice, and I have not trained my mindset to shift in terms of what I know. Okay, then you see that there will be very, very complicating issues, that the knowledge I have is not bringing forth exact thing that it claims to know. I'll give you example. Another example. Another example is those people who teach, who are like students who teach people. Okay, let me just put it like this. We all go to school to be a doctor, right? Yeah. Not all, but some go to be a doctor, and they study whatsoever they want to study just to become a doctor. And mind you, it is teacher who teach them how to become a doctor through practical aspect of it, and also through theoretical aspect of it, right? Then how come that the people who teach them are not able to conduct surgery on a patient, right? How come they are not able to conduct surgery on a patient? Now, it is simply because their mindsets have not aligned to their knowledge. And how can you align your mindset to the knowledge that you have gotten? This is what makes it difficult for a trader to keep losing accounts. And if you want to know why, hold on to this video, and if you watch it and you don't understand it again, come back to it, because the clip I'm about to add right now will show you exactly how to have the trader mindset and how you can align your mindset to the knowledge that you have gotten, so that you can be able to produce exceptional results. So make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the information I'll be providing to you here are practical informations. Building a mindset does not just start immediately, and it takes time for a mindset to align with the mindset that you want to build. So I was taking shower this morning, and God was pouring it into my spirit. It was coming down to my mind that if you want to build a mindset, I'm just trying to put it in a way you understand, that you have to fight other beliefs, okay, like the beliefs that limits you of trying to do something that are extraordinary that you have not done before, you must have to have patience, and you don't have to risk too much for you to acquire that belief. Now, relative to this, I was on a trade. So when I took this trade, I knew that this was my strategy. Then I knew that, okay, I have to go into this trade. So when I went into this trade, I was holding the trade. So the trade went to a profit, okay, and came back to losses. So yesterday I was still holding the trade. Why? Number one, what I saw was my strategy. That was my edge, and it has not played out very well, so I need to be patient. But I took the trade, and I was still on the trade. So now the risk there is this: if you want to build a mindset, listen, is a shift in what you know. So building a mindset is a shift. Let's say I used to believe that people, when they born, when they give birth to people, when they get to age of 28, they start getting blind, like for example. Then, as a man who has been fed with such kind of belief, how can you shift from that belief that when you are coming to 28 you start getting blind? Now how you do it is this: you start applying little by little risk, okay, little by little risk, so that you can change that mindset. Now how do you apply little by little risk? You make sure you stay in good health. If it takes you something, you make sure you do it. You make sure things that they say that you need to avoid before you get to your 28, you start avoiding them, even if it will take you sleepless nights. You make sure that whatsoever it is that will cause you to start getting blind at the age of 25, you start applying them little by little. And as soon as you see yourself doing that, your mindset will start shifting. It will start shifting, so that at the age of 25, you see yourself overcoming that same thing that many people have been suffering. You get the point? So the same thing it is in line of trading. If you want to shift your mindset to become a mindset of a winner, okay, like you want to win, you need to start applying risk, like risk that you can be able to tolerate. Because risks that are untolerable, let me just put it that way, bear my English, risks that you can't tolerate can kill your mindset and still take you back to the old. So it is better to start small while you master your strategy. Even if you have billions of money and you are a new trader, you need to start small while you master your strategy and master your mindset, and start growing your mindset, shifting your mindset from a mindset of a failure to a mindset of a winner, consistent winner. Because when you pour all in the market, definitely you are killing that mindset. Because when you come to start thinking of something that have caused you to have this money, and you know that before you get this money again it will be very, very far, trust me, that mindset will start dying immediately. So the best thing to do is build your mindset with risk, little bit risk that you can be able to tolerate, and with patience. A child does not grow early today. Like, you don't just give birth a child and he stand up and start walking. Will you wait for that child? Definitely you can't wait. You will run away from there. So growth is with patience, okay, and with risk. With patience and with risk. If you don't try growth with risk, you're not going to have the experience of what growth is. So I'm trying to leave this video with you so that at least you reflect and think more. Think about your growth. Think about where you are right now. Think about the things you're doing. Think about how impossible some things are to you and how you're achieving them at the moment. Then you see that there are some places that you added risk. There are some places that you were patient, so that they will align with the person whom you're becoming.